What's up friends? Welcome back to my channel. The Honor Plus 70 Plus is a mid-range smartphone. Thickness is 8.29 mm and weight is 270 grams. NFC and infrared remote control. Runs Magic OS. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 chipset with 2.3 GHz octa-core CPU. Available in 8 and 12 GB of RAM and 256 and 512 GB of storage configurations. Smartphone will be equipped with a IPS LCD touchscreen display with a 6.77 inches screen size and a resolution of 720 by 1610 pixels and full DC dimming support. Supports IP65 dust and water resistance. There will be a single 50 megapixel real main camera with AI scene optimization and 5 megapixel front facing camera. Supports in-display fingerprint recognition. Battery capacity will be 7000 mAh and can last 2 days under heavy use and with 45-watt fast charging support. The starting price is $195. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.